Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can blur an object in CapCut. Let's get started. So open up your CapCut and make sure you have imported your video. Once you import the video, simply duplicate the video. Select the main video on your timeline and then press Ctrl plus C to copy it. Now press Ctrl plus V in your keyboard to paste it. Just like that, make sure these two layers are perfectly aligned on the top of each other. Now after that, you want to go ahead and simply tap on Effect. Then in the search bar, simply search for Blur. Choose any blur style you like. I'm going to go ahead and simply choose this one right over here. Click onto it. And then all you have to do is simply drag and drop the effect on the very bottom clip layer. You won't see the blur yet because the top clip is covering it. But don't worry, it's there. After that, click on the top video layer to select it. Then you need to go ahead and simply tap on Mask. Now simply tap on Add Mask. Now choose the shape for a face. I'm gonna go ahead and simply choose Circle and then adjust it. Now resize and position the marks over the object you want to blur. Scroll down and you'll see Reverse option. Simply tap onto it and just like that, the blur applies only inside the mask. Now your subject is completely blurred. Now if the object moves, we need the blur to follow it. To do so, scroll below and here you will be able to find Track Marks. Tap on Track and wait for it to get up to 100%. After that, play the video back to check the result. You can adjust the marks manually if certain spot didn't track perfectly. Just move the marks at those points and CapCut will keyframe it automatically. Well, that's it. You now know how you can blur any moving object in CapCut. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub and I'll see you in the next one.